How's it going, Mullenites? Sorry to get to you guys at the end of the market, but what a day. Yesterday we were up by 80% in the regular session and then a further 25% in the aftermarket. Obviously, it's on the back of the news of the HVIP voucher program that MULN has been accepted for in California. Boiling it down, it sounds like essentially a MULN 3 can be purchased for $17,000 with a $7,500 tax benefit when bought in California. So, that's obviously a great news for the company. It is like, obviously we've been talking a lot about some of the bad stuff that's been going on with MULN Automotive, but that is actually, a reasonably good development, as it does make the vehicles obviously a lot more enticing for, I guess, commercial operations to consider purchasing, as California really pushes in that green direction, as they kind of often have been sort of the leader in America from what I see anyway. Now, I guess the biggest question about all of this is it going to be enough to entice the commercial side of things, the commercial industries to adopt MULN vehicles? Because obviously they're not going to be the only company that's eligible for these cash discounts, these cash voucher discounts in the state. So, we have to consider that too. And obviously weighing down on MULN Automotive is the possibility that, they might not even be operating, in the next 12 months, given the liquidity issue that they currently face. So anyway, it's unpacking, it's good news. Okay. I believe it's good news. So I think what we saw in the stock yesterday was kind of similar to what we saw last week when MULN put out the news about having finished the next phase of their battery facility in California. So I think we've seen like a bit of a short squeeze action occur here. Now, the question is whether or not that momentum can continue today. Obviously, when you consider that we went up 80% in the regular day and 25% in the aftermarket, that's a big jump. So we've gone up by over 100%. And yeah, so, I'm coming to you guys pre-market, but I'm so pre-market that the pre-market session hasn't even opened, if you followed what I just said there. So it'll be interesting to see what happens with MULN Automotive today. But, obviously it's good news to see the stock get into that position, and it actually puts the market cap back above 25 million. And, that actually makes it a little bit easier for them to raise money if that's what they need to do coming soon in terms of equity. Obviously, that's something that the existing shareholder base doesn't want to hear. So anyway, if you guys think we're going to see a bit more of this sort of squeezing, rallying action in the stock today, let me know what you think in the comments below. Now, I unfortunately for me, I actually sold my position last week during the rally on Wednesday. So I'm actually out of the stock, and had I held on for a couple more sessions, I would have actually doubled what I took out. So, you win some, you lose some. Anyway, MULN Automotive, it's still an interesting case to follow. I'll keep, posting updates on the stock. But yeah, let me know your thoughts on what you think's happening. Are we seeing, a bit of a short squeeze, and, can it keep going? That's the bottom line. Is there enough interest in the company and the stock to push it further today? Let me know your thoughts in the comments below. Till next time, everyone, may the markets trade in your favor. Cheers.